Welcome to a lesson with Dr. Powell. Let's discuss what we can do if our bounds are in a different order, maybe to make the computation look a little bit different or a little bit nicer sometimes. What if we're computing a definite integral, which is area between the curve, so net area between the curve and the x-axis, and suppose we're doing something like this, x plus x squared. And let's suppose that we're going from -1 up and let's suppose we're going from, but we're going to reverse the bounds. So let's suppose we do 2 to -1. That's in the wrong order of interval. So using the idea before that if we're going the wrong way and we're above the x-axis, the area is negative. If we're below, you can imagine it would actually just be positive. It basically just reverses the sign of the area if we're going in the reverse direction. So we could actually write that and notate it this way. When you see the bounds in the wrong order, you can always just put a negative out front and then change the order back to normal, -1 to 2. Then we can just carry out the computation. Take an antiderivative, x squared over 2 plus x cubed over 3. And then we have a negative out here. And just plug in from -1 to 2. Stick in the 2. And we would have 4 over 2, which is just 2, plus 8/3. And then you subtract off the same thing. So we have a negative, we put in a -1, which would be 1 over 2 minus 1/3. Okay, and so this is 6, so we get plus a 6. Okay, so we get plus a 6, which is plus a 6, and then we have -2 and -8 over 3, which would be like -6. So that's like -16 and a +1. So so -15. So this is like -2 and -15/3, which is the same as let's see, -21/3. So -21/3 would be equal to the value of this definite integral where our bounds were in the wrong order at first. Thanks for watching.